Kasokar jala hapo kajalam jong sembut menteri rangba kajala ubak persot tensong ubri ru uklidu jong high level committee kabaki bria yaki bria ki busan ke besar po thamyo molong bakam tam e ban pengkere yaki menta kasi kanyo teruk jemang arajar afsau prasang perkhat kambyang saisian hargat kajalo nangkana mikmat jong harajan panchayat committee habagan sikilap tai khabona kaleng ubak persot tensong ulang mangana kaleng ka committee kalai lek kabana mat pensuthu yaki kenang bagian kerja anak anak ketiga jaka baru lapan pagi software bagi don nak pergi ni dalam juga SPC kita ulasang masuk tu kamtap kita lapan pagi dengan semua tu ya blueprint berapa pengkret dah kasar jala kata berpengkret ni lagi sebagai pada jaka so nak kalau kasar jala kalau orang kita secong perkat biang yang nak kam kata ubah kong jong ubah jeli handrai nak kalian jong high power committee ke lapan power biang nak sarkar Adil mata kada ba kasar kala bu biang ban penlong ke jalan kata ubah kong jong di ubah banwan nak kada ba kila patpot banyak song e perkat biang halo ka jing terwa ka sarkar
bangin poi sa ka jing ya snguthu hakaba kanum don kanu kanu ka jing ngomong yang tai dia menta ka sngi ka de ka meeting ka song di discuss biang ya ka ne benta bat ka banga snguthu mat kalong ngayu i bana kalian jong ka jong ki members jong ka SPC ru i kum bakila nang syai ke nang snguthu ya ka jingmut ke jong ina government nama ni na ke government ni batai syai kedai ba ngidon kam ya ke relocation ndai bangin be ndai bangin lek ben yaki kidai ki para baya songlang hame mela ki bela contribute ki bela tresitom nu nang menta ke jela jongi bakan kiu sakmat ban kiu saprang kam tame ha ki por ka bangin ong don tang ka service ka service latrin ka ba 4 don kini ki septic tank kini kitai de maki ki ba pun phoi ki ba suba na dong sedong ha ka to por ngo pi ngi taman pe yaki tenteng ngi tem ni smi to te nak dah wat ya service joki ni ha la kum nung ban yo kon ka e ka baki ki la le ka e ka baki la contribute da kam ta ka jela jong brobe pin ong ha po pin ong ha sor juwa ne ha sor turale ha sor shilong ka don ke jinsha ha ka ba ha ki to ki post ne ke la le no don batre ban ye kren sapang ka ni ka ja issue to te menta ka sngi ngong e pi ha ka jing ye kren na so thu baki ru ki shai ngiru ngi ai ki pek ka ni ka jing thu jong ni kum ne begin la kum ne ni kwa ban ra ya pia ka jaka ka ba biang ka ba long save ka jaka ka ba kam ka jing ko ka jikya na dong sedong ka ban bit ban biang ha ka ba ki kon ki ti jo pila sai ki siru ki yo ya ka jaka puli ka ba biang ki yo ka jaka sa ka ba biang mat ka ba bit ka ba te ka wei ka ba ngasutrat long ba na ka lem jo kiru kila nang suatu susu ia kan ka blueprint ka bangi ai ka bangi la pensai mat joki ka bangi la ai presentation bat ka ba khandu ha ki jing ren kalong ki pan por ni satang ka last meeting ka bangi ndu bat ka ta kalong ni la fix ka dit ha ka first week jong bulan Jun kamu ha ka new trip ang sa tentatively ni la bu new trip Jun bangi pelong ya kan ka jing kendu bat ngang next camp na kalian juk yiru ki ong ba kani kalong ka meeting ka ba khadu ha ka bangi ni simlang ya karai bat kata karai kan long nak kamta ke jingbit jingbiang joki bat nak kamta ke jingbit jingbiang jong ki pada ke jalan mekla jungi barokoi
nak kadang kemana ka institusi buat kan ka janji ko borok di penuh sesuka ya koi kali apa ni mati ni pada untuk senang orang ada ai ka dulu ka jepang yang ka kasak de ka tang di penuh sesuka jeng ai la kai ka rai tu ka
pi pe chen ngan chu ong pi tang koi mo kadon ka ak indai ban plek ka ak kadon ka ban nadu usnen kat nai spa kan dai pulai nang ta kadon biang hadir araja kat lai ka bala bakai sai kum no ban le to pi ka ba ngang mot ban ong takan ni namar katuka RTI ka bala juba le ba jong ka Shillong Municipal Board ha ka ba koi kasni kiwan presiden bakit khot jong kai choisi banyak keduk yang na jadi peni ba pleng ki nong tre hapo office Shillong Municipal Board kilong tang 100 something te ngamla ban su ong bek ba ka dei la ni kam dei te namar pi ko mo pi hapo ka Shillong Municipal Board don ka ba kam hajong ru ka mudar ka don nang ta next ka don sa directorate of urban affairs te ka pha ya kanika ye ki kot kisla sha director jaga urban affairs ba kum yu sa ki muda ba kin verify ba bat ban lum chu iki kot kisla ki ba dei halo jong ka ka reply ka ba ai na kalian jong UCO jong ka Shillong Municipal di ka ba ya ba mentah ngan ma ban kum no e swa hadu bangin dayo lu ya ka detail adon
Namun berjalan nanti Kongres Serta di sini mesti sampai ai. Tapi kalau Serta ai accommodation
ya ki bakum kita ini nak kan dewan ni orang kata ya ki illegal settlers nginem long consent kalau ki ngi consent ni de tangi ya ki legal settlers de kini ki chat ki ba trai bat ni na ki post nem ki balalin no te nak kata daw pi kum ya to karti ai ro nak daw om verify ba bagin yo ya ki jisa no do balar la rajia ba ki don jisa ki bomde ki ba trai namar pi kambut ban ong batrai tang hapo ka sorka ki batrai wat don ha to po don ki ba wai simet namar belayu namar kejabo jaban ka to po mau pi don manut ban ta don manut pi ong menta ko mi ka kayak ka im ka ne kata ba pun hi kelong batrai kini te dang ka dang mau pi ya menta ngampat la ban ong kum nu tang ba ka ba syai kedar ngakwa bat persyai ni lada don ki illegal settlers kamu ki bom don bentai bat kaji syakri ya ka jela ka juni kamu ya kita ngidam lakukan consider lanu.
Sebenarnya bagi sopa lais pa sopa kini
Berkata ke sebiru le manu mau pi nama hadin jong ka ar haja hadin jong usnam hakendai pa kendai penri. No hadin bajian no atau baplu hang tei hapo ki quarters gitu. Te ki kot ki selaru labun dibaca. Ki kot ki selabun badu. Dia kata ka don ten rai ngam ong tangata. Nang ada mau pi kan don bet record le se nak liang jong kemuda bat nak liang jong director jong ka urban affairs te until less yo ya kata ngam la bat ong kum nung laki ne ki lais pak sapu ar kilom legal baro me mlong legal baro ya kata i swa hadu bangin dayo ya kaji sisa ba
Sekumbat di batai ba kadang atau kajing kulo film kendai
real
let's say ini ikut keselagi ya like agar pemai jingtip dan ke municipal bang kita kopi ang kadang biang saraway pada jing sapi menpai kita kopi let's say kadai ke bakai ya like hantan marba kumbang apa untuk sepak sokan itu
pi kat ngam pala ban ong mo pi ya menta kidang long on de job namar belai ya kan ko noi ka information kamla ban long bengin ai ka bagla nak da mo pi e swang iphone namar ba nakaliang jong ka directorate of urban bat nakaliang jong muna ki dang wat lut ye kini ki kot kesla let's say kala benung don hapo municipal kala bandon bade hapo ka muda lani hapo ka office jong director joka urban affairs te ye kata ko mo pitongin apswa haduk bagni yo lut ye detail na namar ko mo pingi don hang nemut ban ong ba ngin ya da ya nu ban yarap klumar ya nu ngai ka bangin le kolong genuine ya kino ki bangin dei ban le ya ka relocation ngin le ngai ki bom dei ka mot ki haban ni no na kate ke jaka hadin bangila take over.
I think this is our fourth meeting with the government. It is a very fruitful meeting. We had discussions on various aspects in continuation to our last meeting. And in short, I would say it is a fruitful meeting, and there is not anything concluded, but yes, we have fixed another meeting that is in the first week of June, where hopefully I think we would reach to some conclusion. Right?
But there have been this allegation that there are around 148 illegal settlers in Harijan community.
No, those are just allegations, but that is not the truth. That is not the truth.
But was this issue?
It was already surveyed in 2007, whereby the HPC and government was agreed that about the number of families residing there. So it is later on it's thought, but actually it is not correct.
What is the time you have requested for to increase the size of the land to be allotted to each beneficiary?
Yeah. You see, that demand is still there. We had discussion on that topic, but nothing is finalized yet. But yes, there is a progress. The final will be decided in the next meeting in first week of June.
What is the response of the government?
See, government response is positively, as I told, we had a fruitful discussion. It is on the positive note. We are also moving ahead. So there are certain issues which we have discussed today. We'll go back, we'll discuss with our people, and then we'll see what best can be done. We also want a amicable solution. So hopefully we'll reach to some conclusion.
If you can tell us what are these other
Certain
issues
issues
that you have discussed in the meeting?
See, basically there are certain things which I think we'll discuss among our people, which I can't disclose to the media today. But yes, as I told you, to some extent we had a good discussion on a positive note, and once we take the consent of our people, then of course we'll disclose to the media also. You see all the meetings are being done on the basis of the High Court directions that let's do the settlement by dialogue. So
Do you see that next meeting will be a decisive meeting, will be the final one?
I hope so. But let's see.
In fact, in 2007 there was a census that has been done, I mean, kind of survey.
Yeah.
What was the total number of the families that were?
What was
It's
it?
identity there.
340.
242. Do
Yeah.
you mean that there's all these 342 families who are outside the movie? For example,
Are
we have
government
government
employees?
employees. Are they all government
He
employees?
will answer.
Are they all government employees?
This is, I think, not the question.
जो 342 families है,
वही मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको कि जो 342 फैमिलीज है ना, वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है या उनके बाप दादा जो थे वो काम करते थे। और ये बात, ये कॉलोनी मतलब सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए नहीं है। ये कॉलोनी हम लोग 200 साल से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, और ये कॉलोनी जो है ये एक तरह का मतलब जो लोकल पीपल और हमारा कम्युनिटी का साथ में एक जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, उसके लिए हम लोग ये बात पे आए हैं कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये सेटलमेंट हो जाए। और अगर मतलब इसमें ये नहीं है कि कोई नौकरी करता है या नहीं करता है, जो गवर्नमेंट के साथ पहले से बात हुआ है, जो हम लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट में भी, उसी के आधार पर हम ये मांग रहे हैं कि जो हमारी फैमिलीज है 342 फैमिलीज है, उनको सेटलमेंट किया जाए।
मतलब आप कहना चाहते हैं that 342 families employees का नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी आप चाहते हैं उनको भी सेटल किया जाए।
See, the issue is not of whether they are employee or not, but since they are residing there for years, centuries, so whether they or their forefathers, but the actual numbers, it was like decided, it was 340.
So do you feel this demand is right? Because many say that only government employees can make such
See, it is
demand.
the people who are staying there for years, it's a centuries. So how you can say it is not demand is not reasonable? Thank you.